So here is the news module, and it's located at this /district/news. And this is actually used to store all of your news articles. Here on the home page, I have a news widget, which is the news widget here. And it's actually going to display all the news articles that I place within this module. So this actually won't start populating until I actually start populating this news module here. So let me go ahead and click Create New, and I'll call this my first news article. And we can do things like change the author of this, which is actually pretty important to news and even the blog one. But we can set the comment notification email. So if comments are enabled, people can place comments onto this particular news article, and then the notification email placed into here will actually be notified whenever somebody does comment on this news article. We can give this a thumbnail. I'm going to leave this blank. It's completely up to you though if you want to place a thumbnail onto this. This publishing here determines if this will actually, this will be published on a certain day. If this is a future news article, say you want something posted over the weekend, you can set this for a different day, and then the user actually won't see it until the day it is published, as well as the time it is published. And then the archive date is, when this news article will be placed into archive, which just means, where all your old news articles are posted up, but you can leave this blank. Then we have social networking, if you'd like to place this onto your Facebook. Miscellaneous is things like the category of the address, where this news article occurred, if it's like an actual like event, or the category, watch the video over the category manager if you want to learn more about categories. But you can categorize your news events or your news articles as well. Okay, so I'll give this a content. This is my first news article. Okay, but with these news here, we have the editor, and watch the video of the text editor to learn how to use this. I just clicked and typed. Then we have syndication, which is if you would like this placed on other schools as well. So this is placing onto the Cyberschool 2.0 site. But let's say I wanted to extend this to also be placed on the high schools or the junior highs, I can just check these off. And then resource files, if there are any files, any PDFs or documents that need to be placed as attached to this article. But I'll click Publish now. Okay, so this article is now published, my first news article here. And that's just the default thumbnail to go along with it. But let me refresh this homepage. And there it is with the title, who it's by, the description of the actual content, the posted date, and this permalink as well, which will actually just take me right to that news article. But that's essentially how the news module works.